student of class 5th. Today we will complete the chapter of English literature, third, My Elder Brother. So exercise we are completing it. So page number 40 on exercise given to you that fill in the blanks using antonyms of the underlined words. In exercise A, check here, there are underlined words are there like beautiful, bitter, tall, heavy, expensive. So here space provided to you, and now you have to just write its opposite. Beautiful, what will be opposite of beautiful? Try to understand what will be. It will be ugly. So bitter, okay, another. So like this completed. And now activities for speaking and listening. On the page number 156, there is a para given to you, passage given to you. So read the para carefully. Then you have to find out the answer in front of it, in front of the question you have to write down, like who wrote War and Peace, who wrote Brothers Karamazov, who wrote Dead Soul, Father and Son, who wrote Dr. Zhivago. In front of it name write down. Okay, converse and connect. Next exercise is there, converse and connect. There is a conversation between Sukhvinder and Raghav. Okay, so you have to do it at home with help of any of brother and any of your sister. One will be Sukhvinder and one will be Raghav. So converse it, talk it today. Okay, suppose that Sukhvinder, hi Raghav, I want to tell you something that I hope you will forgive me. Raghav, what is it, Sukhvinder? Sukhvinder, well, you know the book that I had borrowed from you last week? Raghav, you mean stories from the Panchtantra? Yes. It is one of my favorite books. Sukhvinder, yes, that one. I just cannot remember where I kept the book. I think I have lost it. I am sorry, Raghav. Next page. Raghav, it does not matter, Sukhvinder. You can return it when you find it. Sukhvinder, really? Thanks, old friend. And if I cannot find it, I promise to you to get you a new copy from the bookstores. Raghav, okay. Now understand what is the thing, what they are talking together. Okay, so do this activity at home. And now speak 5 sentences about your relationship with your brother and sister. Only you have to say what is your relationship with your elder brother, younger brother, or only brother and sister talk about. Okay, 2-3 sentences. Now punctuation, sorry, pronunciation practice. Punctuation not here. Next punctuation is pronunciation practice. There are some words given to you, you have to pronounce it correctly. First word, vision. Second, revision. Pleasure, erosion, confusion. Okay, right side says, plays, laws, rose, rouse, rise, etc. And now next is punctuation. Punctuation, you have to write the means word, capital letters, using of full stop, comma, inverted comma, colon, question mark, full stop, etc. we have to do in the sentences. There are 4 lines given to you. Complete it in the book. Next is transcription. Copy the given paragraph neatly in your notebook. Underline the adjective used and write the kind within the bracket at the end of each sentences. Okay, 3 line given to you. Okay, then you have to what? You have to underline the adjective and also mention what kind of adjective, of quality, quantity, number, etc. Okay, in grammar you have studied already. Okay, now do it in the book. Now page number last 42 page number. Composition. Complete the following sentences using appropriate adjective. Any adjective, suitable adjective, meaningful adjective, use it here, then it will be, your sentence will be completed. I love to. Next, I also like to. Life is. Next is, it's our duty to. And next is, why cannot you? Okay, so here what to do? Here you have to use any adjective, proper adjective. Okay, that can be done. So think about first what to write here. Adjective means, what is the definition of adjective? Definition of adjective is what? That anything that describe about noun, means quality of noun or pronoun. Okay. Then you have to complete it. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, then do this. Next, dictionary skill. Rearrange these words in alphabetical order. Means here you have to write in alphabetical order. Which one stand first? That you have to understand. First word: explosion, recognition, preservance, advice, and chimera. So first alphabet, what is means A. So check only one word is there. Advice. So first this one will be second thing. So like this you have to write. Okay. Project work. Works in groups of 5 and make a project on any great writer of your choice. Paste picture of him, her, and give details about the early life, education, achievement of the writer. Display it on the display board of your class. Any 2 students from each group may speak a few sentences about what we should learn from him or her. Okay, so I will give this activity to do later on. Okay, at a time. Here 2 good thoughts given. One good thoughts check. A house is made of walls and beams, but a house is made of love and dreams. Okay. Try to understand the difference. A house is only made of using cement, concrete, bricks, and beam means in this pillar and beams are there. Walls will be there, but a home is made of love and dream. When we have quality. Now B, take the appropriate option. If you break something valuable belonging to your brother, you will. Means suppose that you have by accidentally you have broken any of valuable things of your brother. Okay. So what you will do? You will say first option, you will say sorry for or blame someone else or ignore him or start fighting with your brother. Say sorry, blame, which one right, take it. Okay, this one completed, and now next day. Okay, thanks.